Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free Shein gift card. So you can get free Shein gift card by some legit methods. And the first method is daily checking in, writing reviews for items you have received, or you can join their free trial center. You need to type free trial and click enter button and click this icon, my free trial. In here will be displayed your applications. The next method is following Shein and influencers on social media because they often host some gift card contests, and they make giveaways. And also the last legit method to get free gift card is by inviting friends to platform, and then you'll get some bonuses. But you need to keep in mind that you need to always use trusted platforms and websites, and avoid words like instant gift card because they are usually scams. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.